yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
So we are starting off this tour in this little entryway or landing area, as I like to call it. There's nothing really going on in this area. It's pretty bare, and because of the space, I don't think I'll ever be able to do much with this area, but it is a part of the apartment, so I thought I would show you guys. This staircase, we have a lot of wall space here, and of course, as you can see, I have not added anything to the walls, but I do plan on adding photo frames and nice photos to give it a more homey feel and to really warm up this space. But you guys are not here to hear me talk about or look at this landing area because, yeah, pretty bare. So let's go upstairs so you guys could really see what I've done with the apartment. This area might not be new to many of you who watch my videos consistently, but there are several new touches that I have made, especially for this Christmas season, to this area. So I really wanted to show you guys and let you know where I got everything from in case anyone is interested. I know we're really close to Christmas and this video is late, but your girl just got married, so I had to take a little breaky break. Okay, but we back. Anyway, as I was saying, I did add several decorative pieces to this area to make it feel more homey. We did our best, y'all. We are not decorators, but we did our best, and I am very happy with what we have done with this area. So just to get into the details a bit more, over here on the entertainment stand or TV stand, whatever you want to call it, I have this nice garland that I got from Home Goods, and the little ornaments that I have intertwined within the garland I got from Target. I think I paid around $20 for the garland and $4, if I'm not mistaken, for the little mini ornaments. And I knew from the get-go that I wanted to stick with the traditional Christmas colors this year, especially since we are newlyweds and as officially living together. I really wanted to bring that traditional feel into our home. So moving along, these stockings that I have here, I actually bought these in Belize. Last Christmas, DeAndre visited me in Belize. But nonetheless, we had our little snow people. I don't know what these characters are, so I'm just gonna call them our snow people. Hung up, one stocking for him, one stocking for me. And because we used them last year, I felt like they had sentimental value and I wanted to bring them so that we could keep reusing them because, well, these are our first stockings. Yes, we have these plaid snowflake pillows. I saw these on the Target website and I fell in love with them. I also fell in love with the price because I got them for $10 each. Those of you who have been rocking with me for a while, you know that I am all about saving a coin and keeping my dollar in my purse. So yes, I really loved these pillows, especially for the price. This other lumbar pillow that I have on this other couch, I got from Home Goods. I spent $30 on this lumbar pillow, but I just could not leave the store without it. So it was $30 well spent. Our Christmas tree I got from Amazon. So I think I got this tree on sale, if I'm not mistaken. It was as a part of the Black Friday sale, and it was originally $200 something, and I paid $148 for this Christmas tree. It's a 7.5 foot Christmas tree and it is absolutely gorgeous. I am obsessed with this tree. I've always wanted a snow flocked tree. Next year, I'll most definitely get more ornaments, probably thicker ribbon. I already have it all planned out, y'all. But for what we did this year in such a short time, because we literally like scrambled after getting married to get a tree, get it up, get it decorated so that we could have, you know, bring the Christmas spirit, I should say, into our home. Over here on the coffee table, I have this faux Christmas plant that I got from Home Goods. I paid, I want to say $15 or around there for this faux plant, and I was willing to spend the $15, A, because I like it so much, and B, because I know I could reuse this in several parts of our apartment or when we end up getting a house in the future, as long as I take good care of it, which I intend to do. I also got this candle for $13 or $14 from Home Goods, and I loved it because it has the Christmas colors and it has that traditional feel to it. I really love the gradient of this candle. And I also got this little gnome, which I have some candy in. I think I have Kit Kats in there. I actually bought all these items in this little tray together, just one-stop shop. I went in there, I saw them, I'm like, this is gonna work perfectly. Over on this wall, I have this gorgeous wreath. This wreath is from Target. Paid $18 for it, if I'm not mistaken. As soon as I saw it, I knew I needed to have it. I knew I wanted something on this wall for the Christmas season and moving forward. Of course, I'm not gonna leave this up here past January. I'm going to replace this wreath with something else. Probably a big clock. I'm leaning toward a big clock, but this works perfectly here. It really, you know, ties in with the whole Christmas vibe. If you guys watched my previous videos, you have seen my gorgeous green monstera that I have over on this corner. It is just blossoming. It is healthy. She is green. She is doing her damn thing. Listen, I water this plant once a week and I leave her alone, and she has just been thriving, surviving. Yup, that's my baby. And then I have my computer table over here, which I've showed you guys in a previous vlog. I absolutely love this computer table and I love this chair. The chair really ties in with my plant, you know, the green and the gold. I love everything about this area. Welcome to our guest room. When it comes to the bedrooms, we like to keep things very simple. So it is pretty minimalistic in here, nice and clean. We don't have much on the walls. Actually, the only thing that we do have on the wall is this little wreath, gorgeous little wreath, by the way, that I got from Target for $20. That's the only thing that I added to bring a little bit of the season into this room. We don't get guests very often. Like I said, we just got married, so we did have my mom and my sister staying with us, and this is where they slept. Over on this nightstand, we have this gorgeous lamp. I don't remember where we got this from. We purchased this about a year ago. I want to say we got it from Hobby Lobby, but I could be wrong. I also have my Alexa over here, and I have this nice little decorative block with different sayings. My husband actually had that prior to me moving in, and I just put it there because I think it was the perfect touch. Over on this stand, we just have hella fragrance samples, and I have them alphabetized from A to Z. So nothing else. Like I said, we like to keep our rooms very clean looking, very minimalistic. Your room should be a sanctuary. It should feel airy and just a peaceful and relaxing place to be. And I think that is what we have going on with not only this guest room, but with our bedroom as well. Now, this part of the video will be very echoey, and that's because I am in the guest bathroom. I won't be showing you our bathroom because our bathroom and the guest bathroom as of right now looks exactly the same. I have the exact same decor and everything in our bathroom that I do in here, but I wanted to show you guys, you know, the little bit of Christmas touches that I added to the bathroom to make it feel festive. Again, nothing much. We are somewhat of minimalists. We like things simple. We like things to be clean. So over here, I just have this beautiful hand towel that I got from Target. It came as a pack of two. The other one I have hung over this cabinet door just says Merry Christmas. And I thought that was super cute. I have no idea what they were thinking when they put this towel rack so close to the toilet. Like, who wants their towel to be touching the toilet? So I put this command hook so that, you know, the hand towel could be nice and high and nothing needs to be touching the toilet whatsoever. So we never use this towel rack, FYI. Over here, I have this soap dispenser and toothbrush holder that I got from Target. Super cute, paid $10 each. I love these two little things. I purchased them separately, FYI, but they came together so beautifully in this bathroom. We also have, because we are fragrance people, we have this little bowl of fragrance samples. If anyone comes over, we always tell them, feel free to take what you like, smell it, you like it, you could take it. So I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but the only thing that's different from this bathroom to our other bathroom, which is in our bedroom, is we have a tub, while this bathroom only has a standing shower. For the Christmas season, I did not do much to the kitchen. The only thing I really did was add these nice kitchen towels to the stove handle here. I got the green one from Target and I got the other two gray ones from HomeGoods. The one from Target was $4 and the pack of two from HomeGoods was $11.99 if I'm not mistaken. I also added my spoons to this Claire, I think this was a vase, but I repurposed it to be a spoon holder. I really like how that looks over there. I keep a candle in the kitchen because sometimes I like to burn a candle while I am cooking or after I'm done cooking, so I just have that right there. So yeah, that is it for the kitchen when it comes to decor or things I've added since moving in. Over on this side, we have our dining table, and I just have this nice candle on the dining table. My husband's best friend actually gifted us this candle set. It's a whole set. It's from, why is it not coming to me? It's from Bond number 9. I'm sorry. Behind our dinner table, we have none other than our extensive fragrance collection. And when I say extensive, yeah, we're nearing 300 bottles. Yep, and growing, and growing. So yes, I anticipate that by mid next year, we should have all these shelves completely filled up. We shall see. Alright y'all, so we are nearing the end of this video. We are in the final portion of our apartment, and that is our bedroom. I'm not going to spend a lot of time in here because A, it's very simple, and B, this is the only room in our apartment that does not have anything Christmas related. I did want to add something in here, but I didn't know what to add, and well, Christmas is almost upon us, so I just think we're gonna rock out as is. That is pretty much it for this video, y'all. If you like it, go ahead and give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel but you are here, be sure to hit that subscribe button before clicking off. Thank you all so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!